Hi, my name is Victor Show.
And I'm Lashana.
And we are going to show you some simple moves for dancing to house music. And with house, you just want to understand that there is a groove with it, and it's like a bounce, okay? And this bounce is like an up and down feel, yeah? Up, yeah?
Yeah.
And then with this bounce, you can do simple movements with your feet that will, be house steps. So basically, we have the cross, step, step, cross, step, step. So you're gonna cross with your right leg over, then place over your left, then step back with your right, to cross over with your left, to place over your right, and then step back with your left. And then you wanna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Okay? But now the challenge here is to do it with the bounce. Cool? So you wanna go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. And then we have 2 more dances.
All right, the second step that we're gonna learn is just a little heel step together. So you're gonna keep that same bounce, which is called a jinga. That same jinga, jinga, jinga. You have heel together, heel together, heel together, heel together. Without that little groove, it just looks like this. So you want to add that house groove, that up-down motion. Up, down, like you're riding a horse.
Yeah.
Awesome. We have one more step that we're going to incorporate into our house dance.
This next step right here is simple. You're gonna hop on your left leg and lift up your right leg. And lift up your left arm. And then you place your right leg down, hop on your right leg, lift your left leg up, place that down, and then you're gonna do it twice, hopping on your left leg and placing your right leg in between each hop. So you hop, boom, boom. And we're gonna repeat that. So you're gonna go single, single, double, double. Single, single, double, double. All right? And you still want to keep that same like Jenga, as Lashana said. Yeah, that same up and down movement. And you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome. Let's put all 3 moves together, and then we'll be doing some house dancing.
All right.
Ready? Let's start with the step that Victor showed us. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Then the heel step that I showed you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the hop step that Victor showed you. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Awesome. And that's how you dance to house music.
There it is.